Love is a concept that has captivated humanity for centuries. It has been the subject of countless poems, songs, and works of art. But what is the true essence of love? How can we fully understand and embrace it? In the Gospel of Matthew, we find a profound passage that sheds light on the significance of love. Matthew 22 verses 37 to 40 states, Jesus replied, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment, and the second is like it, love your neighbor as yourself." All the law and the prophets hang on these two commandments. In this article, we will explore the inner meaning of these verses and embark on a journey of self-reflection to embrace the power of love. Understanding the inner meaning, unveiling Matthew 22 verses 37 to 40. At first glance, Matthew 22 verses 37 to 40 may appear straightforward, directing us to love God and our neighbors. However, a deeper understanding reveals a profound truth about the essence of love. Jesus' response to the Pharisees' question on the greatest commandment reveals that love is not just an emotion or a feeling, but a conscious decision and a way of life. To love God with all our heart, soul, and mind means giving ourselves completely to Him, surrendering our desires and ambitions, and aligning our will with His. It is an acknowledgement that God is the source of love and that by loving Him, we tap into an infinite wellspring of love to share with others. In addition to loving God, Jesus emphasizes the importance of loving our neighbors as ourselves. This commandment challenges us to see the divine spark in every human being, regardless of their background, beliefs, or actions. Loving our neighbors means treating them with kindness, compassion, and respect, just as we would want to be treated. It involves embracing empathy, understanding, and forgiveness, and transcending societal divisions to unite as one global community. By loving our neighbors, we reflect the love that God has for each and every one of us. Embracing the power of love, a journey of self-reflection. Now that we have uncovered the inner meaning of Matthew 22 verses 37 to 40, let us embark on a journey of self-reflection to embrace the power of love in our lives. Take a moment to ponder your relationship with God. Are you truly giving Him your whole heart, soul, and mind? Are there areas in your life where you are holding back or resisting His love? Reflecting on these questions can help us deepen our connection with the divine and open ourselves up to the transformative power of love. Similarly, consider your relationships with others. Are there individuals in your life that you struggle to love? Are there prejudices or biases that hinder your ability to see the divine in everyone? Reflecting on these challenges can help us identify areas for personal growth and transformation. It is through self-reflection that we can start to dismantle the barriers that prevent us from fully embracing love. By understanding the true essence of love and embarking on a journey of self-reflection, we can unleash the transformative power of love in our lives. Love has the capacity to heal, unite, and bring about positive change in the world. Let us strive to love God with all our heart, soul, and mind, and to love our neighbors as ourselves. In doing so, we become vessels of love, radiating its light to all those we encounter. As we reflect on Matthew 22 verses 37 to 40, let us remember that love is not just a fleeting emotion but a lifelong commitment, a commitment that has the power to shape our lives and the world around us. As we conclude our exploration of Matthew 22 verses 37 to 40, we are reminded of the profound significance of love in our lives. Love is the essence that binds us together as human beings and connects us to the divine. It is through love that we find purpose, meaning, and fulfillment. Let us embrace the power of love and let it guide our thoughts, actions, and interactions with others. As we do so, we will experience the transformative impact of love, not only in our own lives, but also in the lives of those around us. May love guide our every step and may its light continue to shine brightly in a world that so desperately needs it. Please like and subscribe for more content. Full videos are on our channel. Thank you.